Then we're really cleaning this tab really quick, eh? Is it worth using hemophilia and taking the block nodes? Potentially. You do have to keep in mind you're getting half the bleed explosion on hemophilias, and you're losing rampage gloves. You can get rampage back through other sources, but it's kind of oof. What did I ever do in my gem swap? Nothing. Eh.
Pop.
Alright, so look, we cleaned one tab. It's nice and clean now. It's good. Look how many chests I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I got fucking... Look how fucked I got. This was guaranteed, by the way. This was a guaranteed outcome. This is not luck. So this is bullshit. I don't even know what to do with all these. Do I just vendor some of this shit? Which one of these is eye level 100? I think I just vendor the rest, eh? Yeah, I think I vended these two.
I will see you again.
And these can live, and they can go on the new build tab. Pick a build that can use one? Yeah. So we got some cool shit. We can play some summoner meme, so we can do, like I said, we can do the occultist. Anime weapon build. I'm actually... So why is anime weapon bad? Nor? Hey thighs.